What's up, it's Boy here and welcome na naman sa panibagong Learn More episode. And in today's episode, sasagutin natin ang tanong na why do cheap or small speakers sound bad? Well, hindi naman bad, no? Walang bass or tunog lata. For example na lang, itong computer speakers na to or even yung mga speakers ng TV nyo which often doesn't sound so good or has little to no bass which makes your movie watching experience not so good. Pero bakit nga ba? Pero bago natin masagot yung tanong na yan, no, dapat muna natin pag-usapan kung paano nga ba tumutunog ang mga speakers. Speakers are designed to convert electrical signals that comes from a receiver or amplifier, then converts it into mechanical energy. Hence, you might see your speaker move back and forth or vibrate while producing sound. These vibrations travels through air in a sound waveform that hits our ear and vibrates our eardrums. Thus, we hear sound. Now, yung mga TV and computer speakers manufacturers kasi, they often use dynamic drivers or speakers which are commonly used sa mga single speaker type setup katulad ng mga radios, headphones, earphones, or even soundbars. Due to its ability to reproduce a wide range of frequencies. Kumbaga, jack of all trades ito. Kaya niya mag-produce ng high frequencies, middle frequencies, and low frequencies. Oo nga, no? Bakit nga ba walang bass yung mga TV speakers and cheap computer speakers? Now, eto na ang sagot. TV and computer speakers are often small, which limits their ability to produce bass. Because in order for you to produce bass, you need to have large drivers that can push air much more efficiently. Yes, air. That's why large speakers like subwoofers often have these holes na nagbubuga at humihigop ng hangin. Did you know that we feel bass more than we hear it? That's why you need to have large speakers that can push air much stronger so that you can really feel that bass throughout your body. Para mas maintindihan nyo, no, punta tayo sa analogy. Siguro naman lahat tayo nakanood na dito ng parada or banda, yung may mga nagtotorotot at nagtatambol. Now, focus tayo sa tambol. Alin ang mas mabass dito? Yung mga maliliit na tambol or yung mga malalaking tambol? Yung mga malalaki? Bakit mo nasabing mas mabass yun? Right, ang sakit sa dibdib, di ba? Damang-dama mo yung dagundong. Kasi obviously, malaki yung tambol. Mas malaki, mas malaman yung tunog. Gets? Gets, pero that's not always the case. Bakit yung mga earphones mas maganda pa yung bass nito kaysa sa Bluetooth speaker na to kahit mas malaki naman yung speaker nito obviously kaysa dito? Now, you have to understand that these types of dynamic drivers are specifically engineered in order for them to cover super wide variety of frequencies. Di bakit hindi na lang yon ang gawin nila sa mga TV speakers? I-engineer din nila ito para ma-cover din ito yung mga low bass frequencies. Bakit ang dami mong tanong? De joke lang. Now, you need to understand na hindi sound ang specialty ng mga TV manufacturers. They focus more on picture quality rather than sound quality. If you want small but bassy speakers, you can have them naman. Marami kang mga choices dyan like JBL, Bose, or Sony. Maliit, pero malaman. Pero, ubos din ang laman ng bulsa mo. Guys, mas mahal ang pag-e-engineer ng mga small speakers that can cover wide range frequencies kesa sa pag-e-engineer ng mga small speakers that covers a decent range of frequencies that's enough para maintindihan mo yung pinapanood mo. So, okay po, gets na namin, don't expect too much sa mga maliliit na speakers unless it's branded. So, what's next? Anong pwede namin gawin to step up the game? Well, there's this one thing that can solve your dilemma. A subwoofer. Sakit. Subwoofers are perfect because it covers most frequencies na hindi naaabot ng mga cheap TV and computer speakers. Low bass frequencies to be specific. It's perfect because it has larger drivers that can push air much stronger, which results in much more bass. Let me show you an example. So yun, I hope nasagot ko ang tanong mo kung bakit nga ba hindi ganon kaganda ang bass ng mga small speakers. Pero if may question ka pa regarding this topic, do not hesitate to comment below and I will try my best para makapag-respond. Like mo na din tong video na to kung nahanap mo tong useful or kung nag-enjoy ka. And mag-subscribe ka na din so you won't miss my future uploads. So yun na nga, no? Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. This is Poy and I'll see you in my next video.